So the last thing I want to share with you guys as we transition over to the new community is how to get help. So sometimes if you run into any issues or something that's happening that you're not expecting, the way that you can first get help is by going down here. We've added a little bubble here for chat. You can click on need help and you can actually chat directly with the developer if they're available, or if they're not available, the little chat bot will pop up and it will ask you a series of questions. So you can put in there, here in this case, I put I'm looking for support, and it's going to say, put your name, what's the issue, and this is actually going to create a ticket for the developer. So they will grab these and comment back to you, and you'll hear a little ding when you're inside of Service Activator if they're chatting back with you. So we'll also give you email address if you would prefer to email, but you can do a lot of this stuff through chat. And actually, if they're available, they will chat back to you and coach you through whatever the issue is. You can actually use the clip to, if you have screenshots or anything that you want to attach, you can send those as well. But it is important to us that we support you guys. So if there's any issues that come up, please feel free to use the chat to get help or to report any issues that you're not expecting. Thanks so much.